Hello guys, today I trek from Fire Service Wedra Road to the ShopRite Junction at the ShopRite gates at Ebu Road, Mbise Road, Aba Road. So guys, on this video I will show you everything that I saw on the road. Make sure you do like, subscribe, let me show you everything. Okay guys, as you can see at the back here is Fire Service Road going down to ShopRite Road. This is Ebu Road. This is the motor park of the Young. You can see this is the park of the Young. Along that Ebu Road from Fire Service, you will see different transport companies park along that road. You will see the Young. You will see many transport companies. This is Technical College, Owerri, GTC, at that Ebu ShopRite Road. So guys, this journey started like this. This is how I'm trekking, walking down to the ShopRite Junction. Guys, it's not easy trekking from the Fire Service to the ShopRite Junction. So guys, it's because of the vlogging, the video that I say let me put on for you guys to see how everywhere look like. You can see the beauty of this road. You can see this is another transport company, GUO transport company. You can see where they are along this Ebu Road of ShopRite. Guys, if you are looking for the GUO transport company park, is along the Ebu Road from Fire Service going down to ShopRite, Ebu Road, Aba Road. You will see it along the road there. This is another park here for the transport companies. This is another park. This is another park where people enter cars to travel different states. So guys, this is the road of ShopRite, the Ebu Road. You can see it is how everywhere looks like. Everywhere have developed, everywhere is looking okay. The atmosphere, the weather, everything is calm. Owerri is beautiful. This is Ebu Road. This is Aba Road. This is Mbise Road, Owerri, Imo State. Trekking from the Fire Service Junction at Wedra Road down here is something that is not easy. So guys, this is how this side look like. You can see everywhere. You can see these are another beautiful areas that I saw. You can see, some cars are entering inside the streets by the left. Some are going up here down to Aba Road, Mbise Road. So guys, still going down to the ShopRite Junction, the roundabout of ShopRite. I will show you guys everything. This is another place I saw here, so beautiful. They have a large compound here. You see, coming down from the Fire Service Wedra side, going down to ShopRite Junction at ShopRite. This is also Mbise Road, Aba Road. So guys, this side is looking beautiful. This is how this side look like after years that I have not been here. So everywhere have changed. The road are now wide, guys, as you can see. So guys, if you have watched this far, make sure you do like, subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Putting on this video to show you how Owerri look like now. Owerri have changed and developed. Guys, you can see. Still trekking down to the ShopRite Junction. So guys, tell me, have you been to this place? Drop your comment. Tell me if you have been to this place. How long have you been to this place? So guys, heading down to ShopRite Junction. This is closed. This is ShopRite. This is ShopRite. This is ShopRite Junction. You can see this is ShopRite Owerri, Imo State. ShopRite at Ebu Road, Aba Road, Mbise Road. This is the junction. You can see this is ShopRite. You can see I trek from Fire Service Wedra Road to ShopRite Junction here. This is the roundabout of ShopRite. If you want to locate ShopRite is at Ebu Road, coming from Fire Service Wedra. If you reach Fire Service by the left, you cross over, enter cars, they are coming down here. You can see this is ShopRite gates. This is frontage of ShopRite, Owerri, Imo State. From Fire Service, trekking down here to ShopRite Junction. So guys, make sure you do like this video, share this video so that others can see it, others can watch, others can comment and share. Thank you guys for watching all my videos and supporting my channel. Guys, you can see how everywhere look like. This is inside ShopRite. This is the junction of ShopRite. This is the roundabout of ShopRite. How everywhere looks beautiful, clean and neat. You can see the beauty of this area. You can see the beauty of this area. So guys, this is ShopRite Junction. This is ShopRite roundabout. Coming down from there, Fire Service coming down here. I trek from Fire Service to this junction. Guys, you can see everywhere look beautiful. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Your engagement matters to all my videos, please. So guys, this is how everywhere look like. This is my daily vlog. I really appreciate you guys for your support. Peace and love.